versus Tanisha in red.
Well, both boxers are very good. Both are national campers. And recently at the Khelo India, Suman had won a medal. You can see her, both are testing each other. Well, I see Suman is keeping her distance and she's throwing her right and left. Her right is very hard. And she has a confident look on her head, on her face. Whereas I see Tanisha is retracting. Though she is scoring, but she is retracting and clinching. And there is the winner.
And Suman Yadav in the blue corner is the winner.
Wow, if you watch this bout, Samir,
Very aggressive.
and if you see in the blue corner, far away from the blue corner, you've got all the Salva.
Oh my God, that was a hard right.
Samir is going very strong. Once again,
Samir is hammering the boxer in red.
a coach, and he's been supported by a lot of locals, and they have the maximum number of boxers, a very dedicated boxers. You can see them right at the corner there.
Yes.
Samir was one of the boxers that Goa Boxing Association had sponsored the last year.
विश्वास नवा हो खेळ खरो चलवोच नेटान तू पंच मार अंगान नासा ही जिद नवी वस नेटान तू पंच मार चल हुक घाल तू स्ट्रेट पंच मार तू नॉक आउट करून उडय मार तेका फोड तेका मोड तेका सोडी ना काय बॉक्सिंग चॅम्पियन गोयचो कोरिया बॉक्सिंग Korea boxing, 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 mar. Tall hook gal tu straight punch mar tu knock out korun udoy. Mar teka ford teka mod teka sodi na kai boxing champion goito. Korea boxing, Korea boxing, Korea boxing, Korea boxing, Korea boxing.
And I want all the boxers work hard very sincerely and please make him proud. And I want to also thank and congratulate Prudent Media for organizing such a wonderful state boxing championship. I have never seen such, getting hype for any state championship. And I really like the environment, and I love visiting Goa because I love Goa, and I'm looking forward to come Goa in future also.
And we wish you all the best in your international success, which brings India so much pride. To Shripad Bab for spending his time coming here. As always, he's been a spokesperson for Goa in all fields. To Mr. Lenny, who I've just met today, and I wish you all your success. And from the team, at least at Prudent and Fomento, I know you kids want to get on with the prize ceremony because that's the more important thing. So wish you all the best and congratulations, and look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.
Korea boxing.